Hey friends, Cece here, your resident nutrition nerd and hormone health champion. I hope you're having a stellar day. Listen, I have a question for you. Raise your hand if you have ever experienced issues with your gut or with digestion. Listen, it's nothing to be ashamed of. We've all experienced these challenges at one point or another. That's why I want to share with you one of my favorite recipes today. It's rich in probiotics, which we all know are the good bacteria that really make your gut happy. These probiotics can help to reduce inflammation, reduce digestive stress, as well as the symptoms of IBS, and so much more. I'm going to show you how to make Tempeh Reubens, totally vegan, and they taste every bit as good as the OG Reuben. I promise you. The tempeh, sauerkraut, and apple cider vinegar in this recipe are all chock full of those good for you probiotics that are going to make your gut so happy. So let's get cooking. Okay, who's ready to taste this? Me. All right, moment of truth, friends. Oh my God. It gets better every time I make it. Now that is how you make a vegan Reuben and take it from 800 calories to less than 400 without sacrificing any of the taste and with a bonus gut healthy probiotic boost. Check out the recipe. If you make it, let us know what you think. Drop a comment. All right, so here's the thing. I know that it's not always easy to have the time and the energy to make good for you foods. And you all know what a huge nutrition nerd I am. Even I struggle sometimes in getting all of the nutrients I need on a daily basis. I have a lifesaver that is my go-to in those situations when I'm short on time. It's the probiotic power greens from Happy Mammoth. I'm currently enjoying a pineapple flavor. All I do is mix this in a glass of water and chug it on down. It tastes like a delightful, refreshing treat. And this really helps. I personally have a lot of tummy trouble at night, and this has really helped with my digestion. It has really helped with some bloating issues that I'm experiencing as well. So even just in taking this for the last few weeks, I've already noticed some positive changes. So here it is, the probiotic power greens in a pineapple flavor by Happy Mammoth for all those times when you're short on time and you can't make a delicious, filling, probiotic healthy meal like this. Following Happy Mammoth on all of your favorite social media channels for more hormone health tips like these, and of course, recipes from your favorite nutrition nerd. Bye for now, friends. Have a good one.